Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see all participants in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now, join a meeting by tapping join and enter the meeting ID or tap new meeting to start. Once you are inside the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen and tap participant. This will open a list showing the names of everyone in the meeting. To see people faces instead of just name, swipe left or right on your screen. Zoom will show up to 4 participants per screen on phone. Keep swiping to see more people, one screen at a time. And that's it. We have now learned how to see all participants in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.